nitakuwa sisikiki and I can't do an intro. But anyways, welcome back. I can't even put the camera, my phone properly. What are you doing? I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Look, my new Nini rings. Your girlfriend, your bro, that's my bestie.
Mambo. If you want to be food, never mind.
What?
What's that flash?
Hi everyone, welcome back, yes, to my YouTube channel, yes, of course. Anyways, alright, so I'm at the beach. Yeah, vlogging. I'm at the beach. Yeah, so it was like a get together with brothers and sisters. So yeah. And we're going to the beach. And by the way, I'm just wearing a very normal outfit. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, let me ask. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing. I know it's just something normal. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna fast forward like all the things that I'm gonna do right now because I'm sure they're not necessary. Hello. Hi, this is Sharon. This is my sister, my bestie. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but being at the beach, it's really interesting. It's really interesting, and like seeing the ocean like right there, it's pretty. It's beautiful. I mean, Jehovah's creation is magnificent. Am I lying? I mean, you know I'm not lying. Yeah, yo. Anyway, what I'm like.